All right, so all four of us just loaded this Generac generator in the back of the pickup truck. We're gonna go swap this out today. All right, got my piece of silver. You know what? It's got some good weight to it. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, we have this Generac generator. She's a 17 kW model. By the way, huge shout out to Evergreen Landscape Contracting. You couldn't even open this cover before. That's how quickly this tree grew over the years. So we've got the 17 kW. We're taking this out. It's got some fatal issues with the engine. Wasn't worth repairing. Customer said, listen, let me get a little bit larger on the unit. But we have 1 inch feeding it. So we couldn't go that large. But there we go. We're going to take this bad boy out, disconnect the gas, disconnect the electric, throw the new one in place, and we're going to do something special with the old generator. So stick around.
Yeah.
Could that be the catalytic converter? We know that's the muffler. And guy's got some juice.
I want to turn this on, but it goes through here, through there. They got a GFI there too, which comes.
Yeah, the neighbor outlet. All right, ladies and gentlemen, there's the generator. A little after 10:30 in the morning. Still Thursday, April 4th. We're going to the shop right now, and we're gonna have some fun. So make sure you check out the Smelting with Mikey Pipes YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Catch you on the next one. Be well, God bless, stay safe. Okay. Good. Now let's smack up the rest of this thing. Are you on the feet there? Oh yeah, you have little screws there, bolts there. You should be able to smash that. Whoa, look at that. How heavy is that thing? You can't lift it up? Fuck yeah, we hit the jackpot. That's at least like... Wow.